You'll notice that there is this yellow line up here on top of our timeline, and that is Premiere telling us, yo, I might have some trouble playing back this footage. So Premiere puts different colored lines at the top of your timeline to let you know how well it's gonna be able to play your footage back, and they work like traffic lights. A red line is Premiere telling you, don't even try that, this ain't gonna happen, I can't play this clip back, and this usually happens because you put a lot of effects on a clip. A yellow line is Premiere telling you, I probably got this, but this is kind of a weirder video format, and so don't be doing that super fast shuttling foolishness. And a green line means we good. Go ahead and put that playback resolution to full, I got this. So if Premiere is struggling to play back your footage quickly enough, you're gonna wanna turn those red and yellow lines into green lines, right? So how are you gonna do that? Well, you're gonna do that through a process called rendering. And rendering is a special process where Premiere takes your messy video clip that's in some difficult to read format and that you've added a ton of effects to, and then it turns it into a nice polished video clip that can be played back without any issues. Now, as this meme will tell you, rendering can sometimes take a while depending on how complex your sequence is or how much of a boss your computer is, and so sometimes it's best to render out just a little section of your timeline instead of the whole thing so it won't take forever. So we're gonna go over to this little hamburger menu beside our sequence name in the timeline panel. We're gonna click that, and then we're gonna make sure that work area bar is checked. And you'll notice that we have this little bar on the top of our timeline. And by the way, now that you've made it show up there, it should show up every time you open a project in Premiere. All right, so we could take this work area bar and we could drag it in and out over certain areas of our timeline, and we could tell Premiere, yo, this is the area that we're working on right now. These two clips here under our work area bar. And so you'll notice here we got a red and yellow line under our work area bar here. We don't want that. We want a green line, and so we're gonna render that so that we can get a green line and have smooth playback. So to render, we're gonna go up to our sequence menu here, and you'll see that we've got two options for rendering. The first option is your first resort. So it's the option that's not gonna take as long, but it's not always gonna solve the problem. The second option might take a little longer, but it's always going to get you a green line. And so that's the one that I always choose, so let's pick that as a safe bet. Now the line above our two clips is green, and we can fast forward through those babies at lightning speed if we want. Hey y'all, I'm Mary. I'm a filmmaker and I teach a course showing you how to make videos for your brand. And this is a preview of one of the editing lessons. And if you want to watch the full lesson, you can do that online for free at the link on screen or in the description below. All right, bye y'all.